Hi, we are students from Türk Mycology and I am Necmi. I am together with my friends to run some experiments. My friends Arif and Suzanne will explain to you about the equipment that we are going to use in the first experiment.
Hi, this is the funnel that we are going to use when we are going to put our sodium thiosulfate in order to prevent it splashing all around. This is our bread and this is our conical flask. We have to make sure that our bread is closed so that the thiosulfate will not drop.
This is our sodium hydrogen carbonate compound, and this compound is used to quench the reaction, which means stopping the reaction, because the reaction between propanone and iodine is a continuous reaction, and in order to take valid measurements, we need to stop the reaction. These are the volumetric pipettes that we are going to use to take our samples, and this is our stopwatch, so that we are going to use this stopwatch to measure the time.
And now my friend Mehmet will explain how to fill the bread with a solution.
We use goggles and gloves as a result of used with acids in our experiment, and we put the goggles on. Now I fill the bread with thiosulfate solution.
Thiosulfate solution will titrate the iodine solution so that we will obtain some concentration values.
We take a 25 milliliter of iodine solution.
We prepared this iodine solution using our ultrasonic stirrer.
We take a 25 milliliter sample of sulfuric acid, but we have to be careful as a result of it is an acid, it is corrosive. And I am using a pipette and a sucking pump to take a 25 milliliter sample. We take a propanone sample at 25 milliliters and we mix them with sulfuric acid.
We are going to mix the two solutions to start the reaction.
We got the samples at 20 milliliters from the mixture.
We are adding sodium hydrogen carbonate to stop the reaction.
Now we obtained this straw color and we are going to add this starch. We didn't add it in the beginning because it forms a complex. And now when we add the starch, we are ready for titration for iodine. And now you can see that the color goes darker. As the reaction proceeds, we can see that the color becomes lighter because the amount of iodine decreases. And the complex that iodine forms with starch is the thing that provides the blue-black color. And now we are titrating for seeing the color change. We can see the colorless solution.